My name is Mike Sack. I'm the CEO of TeraCode, and I wanted to talk to you today while I'm en route to Crystal City Airport about some of the interesting and exciting IoT projects that we work on. One that comes to mind right away is the project that we're working on now for Toto. We're helping connect the automatic flush valves, automatic faucets, and soap dispensers that you find in commercial restrooms at airports, office buildings, college universities. We custom designed a circuit board and connected it to their device. We built a beautiful case for it, a system for it to connect to the Toto devices and provide them with a place in the cloud to upload all of that data. We then provide a great dashboard so people who are using the Toto equipment can actually see what's happening when the equipment is malfunctioning. They can see where they need to do repairs. They can also measure the water that's being used by their flushing valves and the sink valves. And they can compare that to their water bill, make sure they're not overpaying for their water. And also they can know when the soap dispensers are running low, and they can add more material, more soap, more consumable to the device for the humans. So one of the exciting projects we're working on, it's always fun coming to you. I'm in the cockpit of Cirrus SR-22 en route right now, as I said, to Crystal River Airport. I actually do a lot of volunteer flights to deliver rescue animals, and this is one of them. Thanks for your time.